Hey guys, I just want to take a minute to explain a little bit about how I installed my 72-inch Retract-A-Gate here. We actually have a 74-inch gap, so Retract-A-Gate was very helpful in figuring out how we could use their spacers to close that extra 2 inches. I was going into MDF, so I didn't need to pre-drill the holes, but I did want to make sure that I was getting them in the right spots. So the first thing I did was I put the bracket up against the wall, put the screw in about leveled it out, put the screw in about 1/4 of an inch, and then backed it out, put the spacers behind, and then was able to put the bracket in nice and level. I repeated that 3 times for the remaining brackets, and then all I had to do was pop my Retract-A-Gate in like so. Open it up, flip the lock, and I have a nice Retract-A-Gate that's going to protect my little one. Thank you very much, Retract-A-Gate.